Everybody, John here, and wanted to tell you, do a little box opening for my Echo. What is this? Leaf blower. What? PB-2520. The PB-2520 Handheld Blower. Noticed a nice little ribbon on it. This is an early Father's Day present from Anna. So I thought while we're opening it up, might as well do a little box opening video on it. And when I had bought she was smart enough and bought the pre-mixed gas to go with it, 50-in-1 pre-mixed gas. I know past experience using my weed whacker, it's always great to have the pre-mixed gas to go along with it. That's an excellent idea. Good choice, honey. Good. Alright, let's start opening up this baby and see what's in there. I'll have to save the ribbon for later. Actually, one thing that's pretty amazing, first thing I noticed when I picked up the box is it's actually really light. I didn't really measure the weight on it, but I'm guessing it's somewhere definitely less than 20 pounds, probably more like 10 to 15 pounds. So something like that with a motor on it. I was expecting to be heavier. Looks like we've got a tube, another tube, some blending oil, so you can make the 50-to-1. Yes, and you've got your instructions. You know what to do those. If you're a guy, those go in the garbage. More box. And then we have the main part down here. Wow, that's it. Not a whole lot of parts. So you've got 2 pieces of tube and the machine right here. You got your tags. If you're in California, it has a little danger thing on here, or air quality thing for California. There's your 2-year warranty tag on it. 5-year warranty, I guess, if you're a consumer. Let's see. Stop, start. Here. I'm not sure what this lever. Oh, okay. So that lever locks it in place. You can see that right now. So we have the trigger for it. We could slide this lever back. Push that lever back, and it will lock it in the run position. So you have on-off switch here, off, on, and so we got our gas tank, our choke, our primer button, and pull string. So let's see how it works. I'm going to go ahead and put our tubes in. Annalise is so excited to give me this for Father's Day because she's been complaining about all the leaves in the back deck for the last couple of weeks. She's like, honey, aren't you going to go out and get the leaves off the deck? Let's see if I can figure this out. Okay, that must not go there. That looks like the nozzle. These 2 pieces go together. Interesting. I might have to. So that looks like the aiming nozzle there. This side goes over here. Yep. And you can see these little knobs here on the side. Those knobs fit right in there. Wow, it locks, snaps into place. Do you hear that snap? Let's try that again. Ooh, now it's kind of stuck. I guess it snaps into place and sticks there pretty good. And not so much for this guy. Let's see if I can. Looks like this is supposed to twist somehow. I think this is supposed to lock into place, but I'm not seeing that quite yet. I'll figure that out later. Maybe later after the video I'll actually read the instructions. Alright, let's put the gas in. Let's See how easy it is to get this thing going. Smell the fumes and the vapor on that. You can tell this has a little bit of a color to it because it's pre-mixed. I don't plan on running it too long, so I'm just going to put a little bit of gas in the tank there. Cram it a few times. There you go. Now I'm seeing the gas fill in there. And on my weed whacker it says cram it 10 times. I hope we don't have to do that. So that's open and choke. I guess we'll start it in the open position. So let's see how this baby works. Whoa. Okay, let's do it down here. Wasn't ready to be.
That's perfect.
So that was nice gale force winds there. Alright, so let me go ahead and read the instructions. See how this thing clicks into place. I'm guessing that's supposed to lock into place. Yeah, I could feel the force of the wind pushing back on me. Had quite a bit of a recoil on that blower pushing back on me, so it felt pretty good. Did quick work on those leaves, that pile of leaves that's been sitting there for a while.
But you have to do in one direction, honey. It's not like you just go in here and then go that way.
That's because I was trying to blow them in your face.
Yeah, I can tell.
Alright folks, so I figured out that I actually put the tube the wrong way into there after going back and consulting the instructions. So I'll recommend that you consult the instructions. There's like 2 steps in it with just pictures. The one thing, so what I had done is I put this end into the machine. That was the wrong end, even though it clicked in really well. So this end actually fits into this guy here, and then clicks over. If I can, there we go. There, I got it to click. And then this end here will go inside the machine. So let's try that. So we got it clicked in here. When you put your, I guess, the tube into the machine, keep in mind here that this spot here is a lever, so you have to put a screwdriver or something like that in there to make the lever to unlock it, so you can pop it off. And this one has, you know, short little knob and, you know, 2 short knobs. And then this one has a nice long section that fits right there into that slot. There's no lock. It doesn't lock in on that side. All right, let's do some more leaf blowing, and we'll see how it works. Oh, gotta turn it on first. idle mode. Using the trigger there, so you can lock it in place. There you go. Off. And that, my friends, is the Echo leaf blower, power blower. There we go. I like it. Nice Father's Day present. Thank you, sweetie.